Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at another obstacle. 99999 scroll into a view medium size problem on TOSCA obstacle list. So here the problem is we have to enter TOSCA into the text box and then submit. The text disappears once text box is out of the visible area. So if let's say if I'm trying to type something, I'm not able to. So this needs to come up. Now how it is working is if I'll scroll this, scroll this, and once it comes in this, then only this is getting enabled. Okay. Now if I type TOSCA in this and I click on submit, the problem is getting solved. Okay. So let's try it. I'll click on let me try again and I'll go to my modules and I'll start the scan. So this can be solved with a very easy tricky method in case you're not aware, but think about the approach and then watch the remaining video. So all I need to capture is this submit button and I want this text field because this is coming on the top, that's all. And I will remove this. I'll just check everything is unique. We are good and I will save this. And I'll close this and I will move this to my test cases section. Here if you see, we are getting both the options submit and text field. Okay, now the text field, since it is here and it needs to move here, what we can do is we can use steering parameters. So how do we do that is I'll go back to the modules. I will go back to the module attribute. So this was our module which we just scanned, and we'll go to the text field section and we'll see the properties. Now here you see if I right click, I'll be able to see the steering parameter. So I can add a custom steering parameter called as scrolling behavior. What this will do is it will perform the scrolling based on what input we are giving. Now if you see here, we have to scroll from bottom to top, so that's why we'll mention in the value section top. Okay, now this spelling needs to be used exactly as it is, scrolling behavior. Okay, now I'll go back to my test case and I'll pass TOSCA in this. Okay, after this I have to click on submit, so I'll just make a copy of this, or if I want I can change the order in the module section as well. Anything works. I'll just delete this and I will pass a click command here. Okay, now it is going to scroll, it is going to input the value and then click on submit. Okay, now let's run this and see if our obstacle is getting solved or not. So why we have added the steering parameter in the module attribute is because we want to scroll inside, like the scroll is not outside, otherwise we could have used another property as well. So you see the scroll has happened, it has input the parameter and my automation problem is solved. Now this playlist contains a lot of other videos related to the obstacle list, so do check that out and do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.